How to add the secure Wi-Fi widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on widgets. In here, scroll down, and then tap on secure Wi-Fi. Now there are two widgets. You can choose a small one or a larger one. Simply drag them down to your home screen. And that's it. On the side here, you can tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn on or switch off secure Wi-Fi. Now you can also touch and hold on that widget and then tap on settings. In here you can change the background color, change the transparency, and you can also turn on or turn off match with dark mode. Then tap on saved. And that's it. So that is how you can add them to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.